Okay, it has
So idan
started.
kina ɗaya daga cikin wa'inda suke businesses sun
Okay,
kashe
yeah,
maƙudan
it
kuɗaɗe
has started. So let's
shekaru
begin. First step,
shekaru
click
hudu
on
baya da
boost post,
suka
right? I said I am choosing
gudana
a post that already
na
has
fara wannan
engagement.
harkar
I
tawa
want to
ta
have more
saye da
followers, for example.
sayarwa
So I'll
akan
click on this boost post. Then when I click on boost post, this is the second part it will bring us to. What do you want people to do when they see your ad? Number one, is it visit your profile? Number two, is it visit your website? Number three, is it for them to message you? So I was explaining them one by one. So if you visit profile, you just click on visit profile. Here, best for brand awareness and follows, right? This is it at Hajara is marketing. Profile banner is off, so I can edit it. Adding a banner lets people message you when they visit your profile, so I can put it on. Are you guys together with me? And when I put it on, where do you want people to message you? On Instagram or on WhatsApp? Since it's profile visit I want, and I want them to message me on Instagram, so I'll change that to Instagram. Are we together? I'll now say done. Are we clear? So that is for website visits and for profile visits. Then if I want them to come directly to my website, so like that e-commerce store you created, right? If you now want to do your lead generation, you want them to download the freebie or come and sign up for that freebie you're promising them, you can now say visit your website. Are we together? So even for that one too, you can edit where the website will be. So that link to your site that you copied, you can copy it, come and paste it here. Paste it here. Are you with me? Or you copy the link to the wait list you created on your WhatsApp and paste it here. Or you copy the link to your WhatsApp gone, so that when they visit your website, your WhatsApp, you will get their number and then they will see your welcome message. And we're saying your welcome message must be optimized to act in your presence. In your absence. Are we together? So when we've done that, it will not ask us to take the next step. Then do you want them to message you? If it is messaging you want, you click on message and then you edit where you want them to message you. The same thing, do you want them to message you on your WhatsApp for business or you want them to message you on Instagram? You can choose anyone you want. Then the action button they will see, you can select one of these options for them to do, right? So once we've selected where we want them to message us, we'll just say next. And that is where we now come to who do you want to see your ad. So you can now select who exactly you want to see your ad. So here I'm saying create your own. I swiped all the way down and I'm going to click on the create your own. Here you have the ability to select what you want. So here I said you are going to name the audience for easy identification. So I said Kaduna audience because I'm going to be targeting Kaduna. Location, I said I am targeting only Kaduna for a start, right? Kaduna. And then when you input the location, ensure you're selecting the one that has city. We have region, we have a subset of Kaduna, but here I'm choosing Kaduna city, right? And this is the total number of people that they will show my ad to. Then I'll check it, tick on that check mark at the top. Then for interests, those I want to target, what are they interested in? So I want small business owners. So I'll say small business. So you see small business. Under small business, it has given me more options. I'll choose entrepreneurship. I'll choose home business, startup company, right? I'll come back again and say cake business. Let me see if they'll give me anything like that. So pastry, It's not giving me what I want. Business owners. Small business. I've selected small business. I'll now go and look at a female entrepreneur. I'll check the other options it is giving me. Those two are okay. I'll come back again and add another one. Kiki? My baby has woken up. Be, Rogaya. Sorry, mommy woke you up. Then another interest again. So I'm going to be asking myself, what are the things that small business owners are interested in, right? People that want to make sales. So I would say fashion, people who do one of these businesses, beauty and fashion. I have plenty of them in Kaduna, right? So I'll now come to the suggested ones again. Female entrepreneur organization, abi association, small and medium enterprise, right? Sole proprietorship. I'm just choosing everything that I feel is an interest of those who I am targeting, right? Good. So let's assume that I have selected. So for you, you're going to, so you can see all the people I selected. Then you now come and select the age range. So me, I said I want people that their head is aching them with in line with their businesses. And then I've selected the age range. I will now check that. And I'm good to go. Right? Check.
Give it to me.
So next. So this is where we select our budget. How much do you want to spend daily? So in my case, I'll just reduce the budget to 4,700. Then I'll say the ad should run this ad until you pause it, or you can set duration. That's the number of days you want it to run. So from here, you have 1 day, you keep on sliding, it will be increasing the days. But what I do is I use run this until you pause it. And then I'll say next. We're good to go. And then we'll just say boost reel. Your ad is in review. You can check its status in ads tools. Before you go, we recommend customizing chat options for this ad to spark even more conversation. So I can say customize chat options, edit your welcome message, add frequently asked questions. So if I want to edit my welcome message, instead of hi, please let us know how we can help you, I'll now tell them welcome. I'll welcome them, right? Welcome. Or rather, it's a pleasure to meet you. And I'll put that happy emoji.
Hello. That's me, my king.
Right?
If you don't sit properly.
Then I'll say, it's a pleasure to meet you. My name is Hajara. And I help small businesses make more sales, leveraging social media. I would like to know you better and learn more about your business.
It's on your own.
Right, I'll learn more about your business and how exactly, who is that person? Exactly, we can help you make more sales. Right? So, for faster response, send us a message here. Then I'll put the link to my WhatsApp, wa.me, right, /234. What's the number? 8, is it 81 or 80? I don't even know. I don't know the number by heart. I have to go and check. Okay. HIM. All right. Copy the number. I'll now come back. So message us here. 234. 234. So it has exceeded the 300 words. So I'll just delete something. Good. Save. And I'm good to go. So here, anybody that clicks on that will be brought to my WhatsApp directly. You see how easy it is, right? Like that took me less than what? 2 minutes or even 3 minutes to do everything, and that's all. So you can see here they are telling us that it is pending approval. So that is how you run your ads from Instagram. Then I'll stop this video so that we'll have